Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a DIY. I absolutely love doing DIYs. And let's be honest, nothing's complete without a vanity mirror, okay? I've wanted a vanity mirror for a while. The way that my account is set up, yeah, I'm not spending money like that on a vanity mirror. I feel like vanities are kind of expensive, do you know what I mean? Like they're a bit pricey, right? They're a bit pricey. Vanity mirror is literally gonna cost you about £11 or £12. You're gonna need to make this DIY work is you're gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need double-sided tape, you're gonna need the push lights of your desired choice, and you're also going to need a mirror and some batteries. Now I'm gonna show you the push lights that I use because I just think they're absolutely amazing and I love them. I got them from Poundland. You get 3 in a pack for £5. You can also get it online as well, like eBay, Amazon, all of that stuff. So I'm gonna have a look and include some links below for you guys to purchase. If you're interested, then basically what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and continue watching.
I'm back! These are the push lights from Poundland. You get 3 in a pack and they're also remote control operated. They also come with instructions, so I bought 2 packs, 2 = 6 lights. And you're going to need a lot of batteries, AAA to be specific, because it takes 3 batteries per push light. So I'm just adding the batteries now, and look how bright they are. Shine bright like a diamond. So after you've added your batteries and everything, I suggest that you clean your mirror so it's nice and clean, because it's going to be harder to clean it once the lights are on. I've gone ahead and attached the lights to the mirror. It was very easy. It has a sticker on the back, and then you're just going to screw the lights on and you'll hear a click when it's on, nice and secure. And look how simple that was. And literally that was it. There are your DIY vanity lights. So here's the remote control. It's got an off on button, a dimmer button, and also a timer. So that's on, nice and bright. And then you're also able to dim the lights as well if it's a bit too bright. Okay, so what happens when you want to take off the vanity lights? The removal process is so quick and so easy. I recommend purchasing some sticky remover because it will leave a sticky residue behind. You can get that from Poundland as well. So I'm just using the spatula to remove the double-sided tape from the mirror. There is sticky residue, as you can see the circle marks that have been left behind. But after you've removed all the double-sided tape, all you need to do is take the sticky remover, drench the circles or the residue areas left behind in that solution, and let it sit for maybe about 2 minutes until you can see that it looks like it's completely saturated in the product. And once you've done that, take the spatula and just start tugging on it a little bit just to remove it. And as you can see, the sticky residue that's been left behind is literally just melting away. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in my next one. Goodbye.